welcome to episode 2 of 5 Ways to Friday. So on today's show, I'm going to be featuring the olive green vest. Now, this is the perfect piece to start layering for the fall and winter months because while it does add like a little pop of color to your outfit, for the most part, you can consider olive green sort of a neutral. So it can be layered on top of or with pretty much anything that you have in your closet, which makes it so versatile and so cool. I'm going to be doing it with a sort of cropped, more structured vest, and it's actually part of a turn a jacket into a vest DIY that I did a few weeks back. So that's the one that I'm going to be wearing, but if yours is more of like a long drapey one or really whatever you can get your hands on, all of them are going to work with the outfits that I create today. 5 totally different outfits, and you're going to get a lot more out of that vest than you've been getting out of it. So let me know your thoughts below and let's do it. To me, this is a really great look for like a day of meetings or a day at the office. Pairing a really pretty, feminine, breezy blouse like this with a little bit more of a structured trouser is always a good idea for work. For my personality, I wanted a little bold color, so I added the bright hat. Seriously, I cannot with me with the hair tie on my wrist. Bold heels, you guys. This is something that I really recommend having in your wardrobe. It's not a huge investment because they're available everywhere, but a bright, bold heel can add instant style to the simplest of outfits. Pack away your beautiful spring, summer dresses during the fall and winter. I beg of you. It is such a fun piece to convert for fall because all you really need is a big chunky sweater, a vest like this to go over it. I decided to actually tie my belt like a karate belt as opposed to use the hardware, which was kind of fun. And thigh-high boots are really functional, not only because they're warm and they're cozy, but they're super sexy. If you live in a place that's really cold, just wear a pair of opaque tights and a coat over this look and you are ready to go. To me, this look was all about sort of balancing really soft, muted pastel colors. So I have this really nice pale pink sweatshirt, which I thought tied in really great to this H&M hat. It's got little crystals in it, but it's a soft color that's neutral and goes with anything. So to stay with that, I decided to do white jeans to keep it light and bright, and these were actually boots that I dyed. They used to be that nude color, and I changed them to the pastel gray. So together, this was like a really feminine, soft, pretty outfit that I just decided to throw the structured vest over.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
This really casual look was all about mixing prints for me. Now, I know mixing prints can be a little overwhelming for some people, so here are a few tips. You want to make sure that at least 1 or 2 of the colors repeat. So I've got that perfect burgundy repeating and the other colors are neutral. Now also, you want one print to be on a smaller scale while the other is larger. So this plaid print is our small print and the big bold stripes are our larger print. If they were both large or both small, they would compete and look too busy. So here is another look that I guarantee you've got like a slip dress like this lying around that you wore in the summertime on the beach with flip-flops. By adding a long sleeve shirt or a turtleneck underneath it, it instantly makes it something you can wear during the fall as well. I decided to swap out the belt that came with the vest and put like a fun color. And since I had a 90s vibe going on, I went with my little ankle moto boots, but any boots that you have would work for this. You can see I also happen to have a hat that matched, so I decided to tie the two together, but you could skip the hat altogether and do a bolder belt if you wanted. It just has some nice structure and felt really cozy.
To my head, 'cause Cause I know I'm dealing